fresh poison avoid right now as per question BSc. The next question is from Raju, who's asking on Muthoot Finance. He's saying there's a huge fall in Muthoot Finance. He'd bought 1,000 odd shares at 2,300 a piece and wants to know if there'll be a rebound in the near time. Now, in terms of what's not working for Muthoot Finance, the AUM growth was largely driven by gold prices. The loan accounts and number of customers were only up by 2% this particular quarter. Overall, they've maintained their gold loan guidance of 15%, and this will be reviewed in Q2 FY26 versus over 40% in FY25. So falling gold prices might be a risk for this particular counter. So overall asset quality in the MFI portfolio has also worsened, and the stage 3 in MFI book has also inched up significantly by around 207 basis points. So a lot of moving parts here. Mr. Chokalingam, I'll come to you on this one. Your view, whether one should continue to hold Muthoot Finance at this moment or not.
If somebody is holding, definitely they can continue to hold because stock also reasonably corrected. But fresh purchase I would not recommend now. I believe the gold prices would correct at least another 5 to 10% from current level, which would be negative. And also, if you look at the conference call notes of public sector banks like Canara Bank, I mean the competition is slowly getting heavily intensified in the gold loan segment from the banks, which have got access to cheaper deposits. So therefore, buying can be initiated in case Muthoot Finance falls at least another 5 to 10% from the current level.
That's a view on Muthoot Finance. And Mr. Chokalingam has pointed out certain banks that have a large holding in the gold loan space as well. Let's talk about Hind Copper, and the entire metal pack, as we pointed out at the start of this program, is doing well. I wonder if Hind Copper is doing okay. So it's not doing too much in trade today, down about 1/10% or so. The question is from Jaya, who's writing in from Bengaluru and asking what the best entry price is and what the view is for a year. Kush, on the charts, how does it look?
Rather exciting. I would suggest this itself is a good entry point for Hindustan Copper. The reason being 228, 230 have been a bit of a resistance zone. It's taken that out yesterday. Even today, even though it's a bit soft, it's trading above that resistance zone. So it's a good idea to consider a buy at the current juncture. What this also does is that it gives you a good risk reward ratio where your stop loss is close to the 215 mark, where the 20 and the 50-day moving average are nearly about colliding. And so that's a 15-16 rupees stop loss. But on the way up, you've got a 250 as the first target. Once that is taken out, you're looking at a 270 as well. So risk reward ratio is fairly attractive on this one. Breakout already there, sustaining above that on a muted day as well. So not a bad idea to consider at the current juncture.